reacting to my own YouTube video, bruh. So let's see if any of these daily levels got hit. Let's see it. Let's just watch the video. There is a weekly fair value gap on the NASDAQ. So when we are bearish, I'm only looking for a retrace to the weekly fair value gap. After that, then I'll do another analysis. Alright, I said that the NASDAQ is going to hit the daily fair value gap. Let's see if this is true. Bro, what is that? What is that? What is that yellow line doing in the box? It hit the fair value gap. Am I surprised? Why would I be surprised, bro? Like I literally told you that it was going to happen. What did it do? Literally happened. Like I'm Houdini or something. I just time travel. But don't even look into me though. I don't even want y'all to know. But anyways, okay, what could we have said? Could we have gotten the entry? Not really, I'll be honest. There's no entry on this at all. I mean, there's a fair value gap. You could have entered here, take profit there, right? Let's do that. Boom, fair value gap, you entered, take profit at the gap again, and then you hit in like one candle. Yeah, pretty cool. You made 61%. That's actually amazing. But let's go to the next stock. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, now we're on SPX. There you go. On the SPX SPY, the daily is bearish. So we are looking for shorts once again. Now, there is a weekly fair value gap, and there also is a daily gap. So the daily gap is more precise. The weekly fair value gap is just like, oh, it's going to go to this big area. The daily gap is like, it's going to hit this area. You know what I'm saying? But all-time highs is so close. It's so close to being hit. So I think 4 hour, I'm not seeing anything. 1 hour, okay, broke structure to the downside. Has not broke structure to the upside. Let's go back to the 4 hour. 4 hour broke structure to the downside. So it's all bearish. 15 minute and broke structure to the upside, but we don't really care about that. So this could either go two ways. It hits all-time highs, and then you wait for a 1 hour break of structure and then go short, or it hits the weekly fair value gap, and then you can go, if you see a 1 hour break of structure, go long, and long till all-time highs. You know what I'm saying? So it's either or with this one, but I feel like Nvidia on earnings is gonna move SPX, and it might hit all-time highs because Nvidia earnings is going to be profitable. I would be genuinely surprised if it goes short on earnings. I just don't see that happening. But anyways, now let's get into the stock. Alright guys, let's go to SPX. Okay, it didn't retrace to the gap. It didn't go to all-time highs, but I said if there's a 1 hour break of structure to the upside, we would go long. No 1 hour break of structure to the upside or to the downside. Except for here, this gap, but that was on Friday. Yeah, so we didn't really do nothing. We didn't trade. That was completely incorrect. It was not incorrect, but it just didn't happen. Stocks that I'm going to trade. First we got AVGO. Alright, we are on AVGO on the daily time frame. As you can see, there's a daily gap, yeah, right here, and daily is bearish. So we are looking for shorts. Go to the 4 hour. I don't see no. I see a break of structure to the downside. 1 hour broke structure to the downside, and then it gapped up, filled this gap. Now it's doing nothing. So honestly, I would just wait for a 15-minute break of structure to the downside, and then go short, until 160, or it might just go with NASDAQ, and then it might just sweep this liquidity and then go down. But just wait for a short entry on AVGO, and that's it. Okay, let's go to AVGO. Holy shit, it hit the gap. It hit the gap. Could we have entered? Don't even cap. 15-minute broke structure. You're alerted. You're like, oh man, 15-minute broke structure. Let me scale into the 5-minute. Did you even get an entry? No, you goblin goon. Nah, I'll be honest, you completely didn't. But it's all good though. Sometimes you don't enter the winning plays. If this was Forex, it would have hit 98% of the time. Let's go to the next one. 1 hour breaker structure, and then you scale into the 15-minute, 5-minute, get an entry. There you go. This is the next stock I'm trading. This is Oracle. Now, Oracle is on the NYSE. Why don't I do that NASDAQ? I mean, why don't I analyze NYSE? Honestly, I should have thought about that, because then we'll cover every single market, and then you can just be like, oh, this stock's in the NYSE. Oh, he said he's going bullish, we're going bullish. Oh, NASDAQ is going bearish, it's going bearish. You know what I'm saying? So there's a weekly fair value gap within here. Daily is not saying it's bearish or anything. We're in fact bullish. So therefore, once price hits this weekly fair value gap, then I would look for a long entry. But until then, let's see how we can capitalize it till the fair value gap. Let's go to the 4 hour broke structure to the downside. That's a good sign. 1 hour broke structure to the downside, but then it retraced up. So I'm not really seeing anything. And then 15-minute is not really doing anything as well. But on this one, I would do the same. 1 hour breaker structure to the downside, 15-minute, 5-minute entry short, then short to the fair value gap, structure to the upside. Alright, 1 hour breaker structure to the downside, entry model. Did that happen? What was that? Oracle, did it even hit the gap? No, it didn't. 4 hour break structure, bearish. 1 hour didn't even break structure to the downside or to the upside. Did we even enter? No. What's up with this not entering stuff? Side, and then go long. And then this is the last stock I'm trading, AMD, man. Now this one is in the NASDAQ, so we don't gotta worry about it. Boom, daily is bearish. We are looking for shorts. Daily broke structure right there. 4 hour broke structure again. 1 hour broke structure, and then it gapped up, filled the gap. Now it's not doing anything. What would I do? Wait for a 15-minute break of structure to the downside. Take profit at the weekly fair value gap. And let me actually show you guys how you can do this. So let's go here, boom. Wait. Let's go here. Boom, broke structure to the downside on this candle. Alright, I said AMD is basically going to retrace to the weekly fair value gap as the NASDAQ did. Did that even happen? Oh my, it was so close. But let's see if we could find an entry on this wick. Let's go to 15-minute. Broke structure there. So, boom, 15-minute broke structure there. Alright. Let's go to 5-minute. Did you get in? No, you didn't. That's fine. Some days you don't even gotta trade. And this is why I don't like stock. Bro, I'm telling you, this is gonna be. But yeah, that's me reacting to the video. I'm out. I'm possibly switching to Forex, and I'm out.